Hello everyone, welcome to AKS IAS main section of free initiative. This is Santosh Koka. Today we will discuss one important question. Before that, we will check small information. TGPSC, APPSC Group 1 and 2 English Telugu Medium new batch have been recently started on 11th November. Prelims cum mains integrated coaching offline live online classes have been started. Right? For more information, you can call these numbers. So let's check today's main section question for 13th November 2024, subject related to science and technology. Discuss the significance of RNA editing in humans. What are the potential implications of RNA editing technologies in biotechnology and healthcare? So here we are regularly following 3 steps before writing answer. First step is related to question reading. First important thing is, what is the topic here? RNA editing recently seen in the news. Because of that only we have framed this important question, right? So how many parts are there? 2 parts are there. First of all, discuss is the important question tag. Here we need to focus on positives and negatives, right? So next, what is general keyword? No need to worry, right? Next, coming to keywords, significance is the first important thing, right? So next, potential implications is the negative factor. No need to confuse about discuss keyword also. Before conclusion only, we just include needed measures. That's it, right? So for creating structure here, first of all, we need to focus on providing some significance part, right? Next, potential implications. The two, here we need to focus on 2 important keywords, biotechnology and healthcare, right? So separately we need to write these 2 parts, right? So finally, in the third part, before conclusion, we need to mention some needed measures, right? That is the simple structure according to the demand of the question. Next, coming to brainstorming, within 1 minute we need to identify, we need to recall important keywords related to the topic, what need to be included, especially in the answer writing, right? So recently RNA editing related issues need to include here, right? Very important recent current affairs issues, right? So RNA sequence or DNA related issues need to include. What is RNA editing also need to include here in the background topic, right? So other than that, we need to focus on some gene expression control related to some GLI1 gene is there, recently is linked to cancer progression through RNA editing, right? These type of keywords especially need to include in our answer. So other than that, we have RNA editing related issues, some genetic modification related GMO also need to include, right? Other than that, we have some gene therapy and also some important studies related to RNA editing in the recently, for example 2022-23, right? Gene therapy and disease treatment related, or we can give some diseases especially as an examples here. For example, beta thalassemia, right? We can connect here, right? So other than that, we can connect our answer with vaccine developments also here, right? So in the needed measures also we can talk about some potential ethical guidelines, etc., right? So that need to be included in our explanation part. So either here we need to focus on identifying keywords play significant role in answer writing. We will get good marks if we provide some important facts and examples or some data in the justification part, right? Let's start our introduction part. So in the CA introduction, current affairs introduction, we can provide some recent current affairs issues. For example, a biotechnology company recently, the Wave Life Sciences, successfully performed the first clinical RNA editing here, right? In humans, especially on 2 patients with alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency, especially, right? Antitrypsin deficiency. What is this deficiency also need to know. For example, this disease is related to especially lung and liver, right? Disease deficiency will affect, right, lungs and livers. That is very important. So other than that, we need to provide some background information. Here we can talk about RNA and DNA editing issues, right? So other than that, we can also provide what is RNA editing. RNA editing refers to the modification of RNA molecules after they are transcribed from DNA, right? So simply we can connect here within one statement, right? So other than that, here we can connect our some important key points, especially, right? Whatever in the body part, significant part, right? First important keyword. First of all, we can connect a gene expression control. Gene expression control is the first important phenomenon, right? So here RNA editing helps in fine tuning gene expression, especially, right, which is essentially for normal cellular functions. For instance, here we can take GLI1 gene that is linked to cancer progression through whatever we have RNA editing, right? So next we have protein diversity. That is also very important significant part here. By modifying RNA sequences, RNA editing enhances our protein diversity here, contributing to brain development and immune function, etc., right? So this study, especially in the 2023 study, also showing that RNA editing role in boosting protein variety, which is vital for cognitive function, right? So RNA editing is very much boosting protein variety. That is the major important point, right? So next important significant is developmental adaptability. That is also very important here, because we are focusing on RNA editing in humans, right? RNA editing contributes to environmental adaptability by modifying protein functions, especially, right? Protein functions. So in this particular phenomenon, because for example we are editing DNA, RNA, especially in the humans, this process is especially active in the brain, right? In the brain it will be active, right, facilitating learning and memory also. So next, coming to here, we need to address potential implications, especially. First of all, we need to provide some implications in the biotechnology. That is very important as per our demand of the question, right? So first of all, we can connect our part is agriculture in the biotechnology field, right? RNA editing is revolutionizing crop development by making plants more resistant to diseases without the need for traditional genetic modification, whatever we have GMO, right? A recent study we have in the 2023 study from China showed how RNA editing improved rice resistance, especially rice resistance to bacterial diseases, right? Very important, this one. So 2023 study, especially from China, right? So next important thing is synthetic biology. That is also very important implication regarding our biotechnology, right? RNA editing is driving advancements in synthetic biology by enabling the creation of custom organisms, right? Custom organisms for industrial and medical purposes. Very important point. Next, gene therapy also very important challenge need to know here, because RNA editing offers a promising alternative to traditional gene therapy by correcting mutations at RNA level. Mutations correction, that is also very important keyword. For example, here 2022 studies used RNA editing to treat diseases like beta thalassemia, right? So beta thalassemia also very much important example here. Next important thing is we need to connect here implications, whatever potential implications in healthcare, right? Separate keywords were mentioned in the question, right? We need to address each and everything separately, right? First of all, gene therapy and disease treatment also very important here. Disease treatment, right? Here RNA editing could correct genetic defects, offering a potential cure for diseases like we have sickle cell anemia and muscular dystrophy, right? These type of diseases can cure, right? Recent advancements have already shown that possibility of curing our beta thalassemia, That is also very important, using RNA editing. Next important thing we can refer in the implications in healthcare, especially personalized medicine, especially, right? Personal medicine with RNA editing, healthcare can become more personalized, allowing treatments tailored to individual genetic profiles, especially individual genetic profiles is the very much important keyword here, right? Next important thing, that is vaccine development. The vaccine development also we need to connect the RNA editing technology, because it is playing a crucial role in developing mRNA vaccines for COVID-19. Already we have experienced, right? So it's highlighting its potential in rapidly addressing global health crisis also. Finally, we need to connect, before conclusion, some needed measures here. So here, to fully harness our RNA editing potential, we can talk about our ethical guidelines. Some ethical guidelines need to include here, right? Need to follow, especially, right? Whenever we are starting or we are wanted to use new technology, we need to follow some ethical guidelines. Next important thing is robust regulations, also very important. That is whether it is artificial intelligence or quantum computing or any other new technology, we need some ethical concerns, rectification or regulation, right? These two most important keywords we can include each and every science and technology related needed measures, right? And further research also, research on development also very crucial for these type of issues, right? Government need to invest in these areas to ensure the safe and effective use of this powerful technology. We can end this right here. In the conclusion itself, we can talk about, as research progresses, whatever we have been taken in the needed measures, if we follow above measures, RNA editing will become more precise and safer, leading to a future where genetic diseases can be cured at molecule level. Molecule level only we can cure the genetic diseases, especially, right? So this is the futuristic note we can connect here, especially in the futuristic note what will be done, right? So this is the perfect structure and approach according to the demand of the question, using different keywords, different reports, different examples, right? So next, coming to day 122 question, main Shikshna question for 14th November 2024, discuss the implications of the Supreme Court's ruling requiring prior sanction for prosecuting public servants accused of money laundering in official duties. That is related to polity. Very important question. Recently Supreme Court released some rulings requiring prior sanction for prosecuting public servants. We need to focus on some significance and implications here. That's why this question was framed. Write your answer and upload in the AKS app. Thank you very much. All the very best.